Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a knife pleat ruffle. Yes, there are several ways of making it, but I'm going to show you the easiest way of how to make a ruffle knife pleat. So I've started already. I cut out a cardboard paper, and the width of my cardboard paper is 1 inch. So I want my pleat to be 1 inch interval. So I'm going to show you in this video. So what I'm going to do is to continue. I've already started, like I said earlier. So I will fold it this way. As soon as I fold it this way, I'm going to remove the cardboard paper and continue to sew. Put it again and fold. This way you will be able to have equal pleats. I'll put it again. So if you want a wider pleat, that means that your cardboard will be more than 1 inch. You could do 2 inches or more. It totally depends on you. You can see how it is. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that. And kindly share this video with your friends. Tell people about this channel. I will really appreciate it if you share the video. Okay. You can see how beautiful it is. You continue this way. I'm going to do the rest off camera so that we do not take unnecessary time. Here is the outcome of the knife pleat ruffle. So if you want a longer one, what you just need to do is to join it here and you continue to pleat. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.